So on your TSI, you're going to definitely have to convert Fahrenheit and Celsius degree temperatures. Today, we're not going to use any algebra. We're going to basically turn this into a PEMDAS problem. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a look at our formula. In this problem, you can see that you put in a C and an F pops out. I want to know the Celsius, and I want to put in a Fahrenheit of 167. Well, this is not a good thing for me because I need to put in a Celsius to get out a Fahrenheit. However, there is a tricky trick you could do using your multiple choice answers. What if 167 didn't have to be my input? What if it could be my output? Well, then I just need to figure out which centigrade went in to make that 167. Now, the cost of doing this method is it does take time. I have 4 possible inputs, and only one of those inputs is going to make me the number 167. So I'm going to go ahead and start plugging them in. So first I'm going to try out the number 70, and I'm going to see what that makes. I'm going to copy my formula. If you replace an input, put parentheses. I'm going to take that C and I'm going to replace it with my 70. Now you don't have to do any algebra because this side of the equation has now become a 6th grade math problem. Hopefully you'll have your correct answer be one of the top ones, but the cost of doing it this way is that you might have to try all 4, so keep that in mind. So 70 times 9, that's 630. One important thing I should have mentioned. If I see an integer multiplying with a fraction, multiply the top and divide the bottom. So that's why I did this. 70 times 9 is 630. Now I have to take that number, 630, and like I said, I have to divide it with the denominator, or the bottom, 126. So this piece right here became that 126. Now I add these up. 158. I'm looking for an output, 167. So this is no good. So at least now I know one of the answers is wrong. I have to do it again. What I like to do is remind myself. I just got 158, so let me put here a little note saying 158. So let's try this again. Remember, times divide, 720. And then 720 divided by 5. This whole chunk, we made that 144. Now it's just an adding problem. 144 plus 32. Is that it? Oh, no. I thought that was it. No, it's not. We need 167, Grossi. What are you thinking? All right, well, 176. Okay, so here we go. We're getting rid of it again, and we're going to write down our note. 176. Now we've got to try 85. One thing that I'm noticing here, 70 made 158, and 80 made 176. Now 167 is in between those two numbers. Which one of these is in between these two Celsius? We can kind of see that the correct answer should be 75. But we're going to keep it simple and just keep on going. My new input is 85. So again, I do my times divide. 85 times 9, 765 divided by 5. This whole chunk is 153. And we still have to add that 32. F equals 185. That is obviously wrong. Now someone's going to say, well, you already eliminated all 3. Now you for sure know 75 degrees is the right answer. But I'm still going to do it. 75 is my input. 75 times 9, 675. 675 divided by 5 equals 135. Add the 32. 167. So it was choice D. Okay, so there you go. That is the method for doing this. As long as it's an input and output problem, that will work for not just Fahrenheit and Celsius, that will work for many different types of problems. Don't forget to visit the website, www.grossimath.com, where Texas studies math. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful mathematical day.